Hey guys, we're doing the team draw of the 3-box break. 9:22:35 p.m. Melbourne time. Random is live. Just playing tricks again. Dice roll. We're going for the names 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Teams now. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alrighty, random is complete, and the teams are Lee Rowbottom, Sixers, Mr. Lalaga, Suns, O'Keefe, Knicks, Peters, Grizz, Liam Scott, Hawks, Albi, Thunder, Javasi, Blazers, Palmisano, Nets, Jason Aero, Rockets, Robertson, Raptors, Timothy with the Warriors, Zach O'Toole, Cavs, Matt Smith, Heat, Jared with the Pistons, Joel, Pelicans, Ian Nan, Hornets, Zach O'Toole, Jazz, Ben Hodgins with the Nuggets, Rowbottom Bulls, Jason Aero Pacers, Blake with the Magic, Climus Wizards, Watson Spurs, Timothy Clippers, Zach with the Mavericks, Ian Nan Bucks, Albi Wolves, Matus Celtics, Thomas Oliver Lakers, and Zach O'Toole with the Kings. That's the teams.